There are times when users can run into errors while using the media creation tool. One such error is this error code, which appears when users attempt to launch the media creation tool exe file. So in this video, you will find several effective troubleshooting methods that will help you fix this issue in no time. So the first thing you need to do is to launch a file as an administrator. So just open the file, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Oftentimes, faulty ports can also cause issues during the creation of the installation media. There are also several ways to test if the USB port is faulty. You can begin by switching to another port and checking if the USB works fine there. Lastly, modify the Windows registry. To do it, open regedit, navigate to this location, right-click in an empty area in the right pane, then select New, choose the word value, name this value as this one, then double-click on it, then type 1 under the value data. Once done, hit OK and close the registry editor. You can now restart your Windows computer and upon reboot, check if the media creation tool works fine. So that's how to fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.